nummy. She sat there on her couch eating sweets in her living room. He went back to Canada where he's from. She told him on the phone that he's killing us. He knew right then he would never return. Nummy, nummy, on my core. Nummy, my dad never come home. He never did. She met Dell and then he took us to the tractor pull. He said that we were a bunch of mutts. We got home and I heard her berate him for hours. You're a cheater and you are surely killing us. Yeah, them Cornville nights and them Cornville heels. She had her bananas. She was a gorilla. All those big shitty nuts with all of them sweets. And that's right. That became my daddy. Oh, nummy, 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 num. Yeah, num, num, oh, yeah. Nummy, nummy. Dell said that he had enough and he helped this lady escape too. I was in the living room playing with a Packard. She was so mad and she said she ain't never gonna make chicken pot pie again for me. She said that I'm the reason that he lost Dell. Nummy, nummy, yeah. That's what she said. Yeah, I made her lose down. But guess what, nummy, nummy? Night after night I would sneak to Poe's room every day. Crawl on my knees so I can sniff Poe. And one night we were doing the poly hokey tokey and my mama walked in. She said that I never ever could have a Cornville night with my Cornville bros. He were looking so right. I was wiggling toes. Yeah, those big shitty nuts. And my mom in her shrieks. She told me that I made Daddy leave. Yeah, them Cornville nights and those Cornville hills. She were eating her nanners and living with, I don't know, nummy, and all those big shitty nuts in them high rolling heels. And at the town dump yesterday, she showed me her skills. Oh, nummy, nummy. Yeah, them Cornville nights. Oh my God, Cornville hills. Yeah, them Cornville nights. And those Cornville hills. Oh, num, 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 nummy, 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 num, nummy, nummy, oh, those Cornville hills. In those Cornville hills. Like us put space heaters outside fishing in those Cornville hills. Nummy. In those Cornville hills. In those Cornville hills.
Thank you for watching.